we're starting in the Aleyeska Highway and Seward Highway Junction. We're going to go up towards Aleyeska. This is Girdwood. It's 34 degrees. The drive to here was extremely windy. Pretty much centered around the ski resort called Aleyeska, and there's a hotel. Big old snow plow. This is a pretty chill town. Everybody's kind of naturist. Some people are just more outdoorsy and they do things that aren't really coherent with nature, but most of the people are nature people. Crow Creek Mine, we've been up there. Pretty sure there's a video. New Girdwood town site. We got Chair 5 restaurant, laundromat, showers, ski in, lodging. I don't know if that means you can ski into the lodging or what. Because some people ski home. They go to the ski resort and you can see people skiing down the sidewalks and stuff. We had a friend that lived close enough, so after you go skiing, you can just ski home. So right up there ahead of us, hopefully you can see it. I don't know. Let's do this. Bam. Now maybe you can see it. The ski resort right there ahead of us. That big sign. I'll read it to you. Aleyeska Resort, Alaska. The Hotel Aleyeska to the left and tramway. Ski resort, day lodge, and parking to the right. We're gonna go to the right. When I was younger, we used to take a bus there would be a bus in Anchorage that would come here, and you buy a ticket for the bus, and they'd give you a lift ticket for the day. And at the end of the day, they would bring you back. Wow, look, now would be the time to go, I guess. But I don't see the are the trailers even running? Don't cry. Yeah, so the chairlifts aren't even running. That's probably why it's not very busy. Durka. Alright, so let's see if they'll let us go this way. Race Training Center, Chair 4. And what do we got here? First Aid Station and Day Lodge. We got Ticket Office, Mountain Learning Center, Rentals and Repairs, Carve, Max's Sports Shop. You see that place right there looks the same as it always has. And Mom and Dad come and drop you off right here, and you go in there, and it looks like a big cafeteria. It's real basic looking, kind of like a cement building type of thing. But they would always play reggae music in there, and that was always kind of fun. They were always kind of like the hippie people. Alright, so now we explored that area. Now we're gonna go down to the Aleyeska Hotel. Hotel Aleyeska and tram. So the tram is pretty cool. The tram takes you all the way up to the very, very top, and at the very, very top there's a restaurant. When I was a kid, it was more of like a pizza shack, kind of like a concession stand that you'd see at a baseball park or something like that. But I don't know what it is now. They kind of book it for people to go up there and eat, so I would assume that maybe it's nicer than it used to be. Stop! I'm trying to talk here, bud. They want to go to the bathroom. Right here, this is a pretty cool little park. It's like in the summertime, it's a big marsh, M-A-R-S-H, field type thing. You can't walk on it, but they have a boardwalk that goes around on it. These are all probably like places you could rent, like, you know, chalets and like little condos and things. I'm not sure though, but I would imagine you could pretty much rent any house here in the wintertime, or maybe even in the summertime. It depends on when the people live there. A lot of people just own it so that they can have it for the weekend, you know, and have everybody else pay for it. Yeah, so the tram, we would take the tram up there to go while we were snowboarding. You could come down, it's called the North Face, and it's really like, I think it's double black diamond, but there's other ways to get down that aren't double black diamond. But like looking right up where the tram goes, that's double black diamond. You can ski right down it, or snowboard, or whatever you want. Here's the hotel on the right. Delivery entrance, Hotel Aleyeska, tramway and parking, tollway zone. We're gonna go through the thingy-dingy because we want to show you guys what we're dealing with here. This is not it. That's the service entrance. All right, the Hotel Aleyeska. We got the big stone bridge over the little thing. Looks like a castle. All right, you see that castle? This is new. It's not old. I don't want to hear any mud flood or anything like that. This is all new. We didn't find it. Okay, come right through here. Nice, beautiful hotel. but it's fine. It's a tour. A 3-hour tour. I think that was the snow on the roof falling off. This will get us out of here. We'll get out of here, don't worry. Additional parking, that's where we're going. Yeah, he got himself a camper. The back, it looks like it pops out. That's looking pretty fucking dope. I'm liking it. So yeah, I'm liking it. Have yourself a pop-up or a slide-out camper like that, but it goes in the back of your pickup truck. That's a dope idea. And it comes out. Where am I? I don't know where I am. I did it wrong, you guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, it pops out, and it could be like styrofoam or whatever the fuck you want it to be. That insulation board. And where am I? I don't know. Yuki. See, I wanted to go. Where did I want to go? Not this way. We didn't want to go this way, did we? No. Yeah. The snow's falling off now. Get out of here. Are you dizzy yet? Maybe the place that I'm thinking that I want to go is like a ski place. I don't know. We'll go back to where we came. Must have did something wrong. Oh, I want to go to a dead end. That's stupid. I'm stupid. Sorry, guys. I did that out of ignorance or stupidity. Let's call it stupidity. I thought dead end, that's not where I want to go. But it is where I want to go. I knew it was a dead end, so I don't understand me. Here it is. You know, they got a ski place over there. Oh, you guys. We'll get out, don't worry.